The A10 air code on a Whirlpool washer indicates a drain problem, which can be caused by a kinked or bent drain hose, a clogged drain hose pump, or excessive suds. To fix the issue, start by inspecting the drain hose. Power off the machine. Move it away from the wall to access the drain hose pipe at the back, and check for kinks or bends. If the hose is tangled, untangle it, and if it's damaged, replace it. Next, check for a clogged drain hose pump by powering off the machine, removing the back panel, and disconnecting the pump. Remove any obstructions. Wash the pipe with clean water, and reassemble the parts. Another possible cause is excessive suds, which can prevent the washer from draining properly. To fix this, use high-efficiency detergents and the right amount of detergent for each wash cycle. If none of these solutions work, it's best to contact a professional for further guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the A10 air code issue and get your washer working again.